Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 17. 100 Collars. I woke before the sun, boots laced tight, knowing the sheep needed me. One by one, I checked each collar, worn leather soft from years of use, some scratched, some patched, all telling their own story. The flock stirred, bleating, hooves crunching in frost, and I felt the rhythm of responsibility pulse through me. Children ran past with slingshots and laughter, teasing the older dogs who herded us calmly through fields. By noon, collars repaired and animals fed. I sat on the fence, hands tired but proud, watching clouds drift over hills like slow, wandering thoughts. Even in modern times, collars marked care, connection. The bond between human and creature, past and present. Evening fell, sheep settled, stars glimmering faintly, and I knew my work, small and patient, stitched life together in ways both quiet and enduring. Now listen to the poem. I rise before the early sun, boots laced, the day begun, collars worn, each tells a tale, leather soft, some thin and frail. Flock stirs, hooves crunch in frost, children laugh, dogs herd, not lost. Repairs are made, animals fed, hands tired, proud, clouds overhead. Collars mark care, bonds that bind, human and creature. Hearts aligned. Evening falls, stars faintly gleam. Work endures like a steady stream. Small, patient acts hold quiet grace. Life stitched softly in time and space.